Down in Brazil, the laws of physics and the laws of the DOT are more like friendly suggestions. They take these Scania cabovers and give them that insane rear lift, the Carolina squat for big rigs. But it's not just for looks. These things are rolling thunder. This motorcycle is hitting 160 kilometers per hour. That's 100 miles per hour, and he can't even get around him. That's because these trucks are completely ungoverned. And the craziest part? The driver is doing it in a cabover. You're not sitting behind the engine, you're sitting on it. There's no hood. You're the first one to the scene of the accident. It's a different kind of horsepower and a whole different kind of driver.